Welcome to SNAutoLuxury, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, expert insights, and detailed breakdowns of luxury and premium vehicles. Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone looking for your next ideal ride, this channel is committed to delivering high-quality automotive content. Today, we are diving into the Toyota Camry, a name that has long stood for comfort, reliability, and refined performance in the premium sedan segment. The Toyota Camry brings an elegant and athletic design to the road, blending sophistication with a hint of sporty appeal. Its wide stance, sleek LED headlights, sharp lines across the body, and a bold grille make a strong first impression. The coupe-like silhouette, stylish alloy wheels, and chrome accents add to its premium presence, appealing to those who appreciate both performance and design in a sedan. Inside the cabin, the Camry offers a spacious and luxurious environment designed to maximize comfort for both the driver and passengers. Premium leather upholstery, wooden brushed metal accents, and soft touch materials elevate the interior to a truly upscale level. The dashboard layout is intuitive and driver-focused, and the seats provide excellent support with power adjustments and ventilation options for added convenience. The rear seating area is equally generous, with plenty of legroom and headroom, making long journeys a breeze for rear passengers. The heart of the Toyota Camry is its 2.5-liter four-cylinder petrol engine paired with a self-charging hybrid electric system. The combination produces a smooth and efficient performance that is well suited for both city driving and highway cruising. The ECVT gearbox ensures seamless acceleration and a refined driving experience, while the hybrid system significantly boosts fuel efficiency without compromising on power. The Camry delivers responsive handling, a quiet cabin, and a composed ride, making it one of the most balanced sedans in its segment. Technology is another strong suit of the Camry. It features a large touchscreen infotainment system with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to stay connected on the go. The sound system, powered by JBL speakers, delivers an immersive audio experience. Additional tech features include a color heads-up display, wireless charging, digital instrument cluster, and a multi-zone automatic climate control system that enhances overall convenience and driving pleasure. On the safety front, the Toyota Camry is equipped with a suite of advanced safety technologies under Toyota Safety Sense. This includes features like pre-collision warning, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beam assist. It also offers multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, stability control, traction control, a 360-degree camera, and parking sensors. These systems ensure that safety is a top priority, giving you and your passengers peace of mind every time you hit the road. Practicality is not compromised in the Camry either. It has a well-sized boot that can comfortably store luggage for family getaways or business trips. The rear seats can be folded to increase cargo capacity if needed. The hybrid system's battery is intelligently placed to avoid compromising trunk space, a thoughtful design touch that enhances utility without trade-offs. Overall, the Toyota Camry stands as a well-rounded and sophisticated sedan that combines performance, efficiency, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. It caters to buyers who demand refinement, reliability, and eco-friendliness in one complete package. Whether used for daily commutes or long-distance travel, the Camry provides a smooth, stylish, and stress-free driving experience that continues to set benchmarks in its class. For more reviews, updates, and premium automotive content, make sure to like this video, share it with your fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to SNAutoLuxury.